Great evening, my brothers and sisters. God bless you all. May peace, love, and light be upon us all. We live from 206 Fresh City, the basement, and we working on some DTF film right now that we printing for my brother's merch line, That Kid RBM. We're gonna take you through the DTF printing process real quick so you can see how it goes down. Stay tuned. My brothers and sisters, so the film just came out of the printer. This is a visual of what we got right here. There's two images here. On the bottom right of my right, you see a badge size print that's going on the top left chest of the shirt. And the top full print is going on the back of the shirt. And I'm about to bring this film right now to the adhesive for the curing process. We grab this film right here, as you see, that's the adhesive. We roll this film up like this. Grab it carefully so you don't touch any of the ink or mess it up, and you just roll it down like that. Give it a couple of bangs so it unleashes any extra adhesive. You want to make sure the whole image is covered. As you can see, we did a good job right there. It's all evenly applied. And now we're gonna bring this film backside up to the heat press. And we're gonna bring the heat press down. And it's gonna go for 150 seconds. We might have to give it an extra 50 after that to give it the final touch. We'll see you soon. My brothers and sisters, this is how you want your DTF to look when it's finally cured. That shiny orange peel look. This is a quality print right here. Quality cured DTF print right here. This is ready to be applied to a garment right now. We're back. We got the garment loaded on the heat press. We're about to give it a quick pre-press. 3 to 5 seconds, get any of the moisture out of there so it doesn't tamper with our pressing of the transfer. That's ready to go. We'll come grab this beautiful piece of artwork, That Kid RBM. You already know, new merch coming soon to a hood near you. We're gonna put the image facing up. Gonna get 4 fingers from the top of the neck to the top of the image. Right there. And then make sure you line it up, you're parallel here, evenly spaced out. Now we have the temperature set for 320 degrees. Medium pressure, 15 seconds. It's a cold peel, not a hot peel. Which means we're gonna remove it, let it cool down for 5 to 10 seconds, and then we peel it off. Let's go. Let's go. Let this cool down. Like I said, 7-10 seconds. That's a beautiful print. Woo. And there we go, my brothers and sisters. We just took you through the DTF process here live from 206 Fresh City's The Basement. If you guys have a merch line you planning to bring to existence, if you already have a merch line and you want top shelf quality printing, reach out to 206 Fresh City on Instagram with speed, quality, and most definitely integrity. Great evening. God bless you all, and peace, love, and light be upon us all.